You have borrowed a hydrant meter assembly from the City of Benicia. Now, we would like to take a moment to show you how to install and use it. First, you will want to open the box and check all the hydrant meter equipment. Check to see if all equipment is present and that all equipment seems to be in good working condition. After you have removed the cap from the 2.5-inch port that you are going to use on the fire hydrant, remove the hydrant meter from the box by its handle and mount it firmly to the hydrant port threads. Please try to use the port that is least obstructive to pedestrian traffic on the sidewalk. Once the hydrant meter is mounted, remove the hydrant meter stand from the box and place it on a solid, firm piece of ground below the hydrant meter. Next, you will want to tighten the nut on the hydrant meter stand until it firmly presses against the base of the hydrant meter. Once you have the stand set up, locate the hand wheel gate valve on the hydrant meter assembly. Rotate it clockwise until it is in the fully closed position. Using the hydrant wrench, you will want to slowly open the hydrant valve until it is in the fully open position. Once there, go back a quarter turn in the closed direction. Slowly open and close the gate valve on the hydrant meter assembly to use the hydrant meter. To properly remove the hydrant meter once you are finished using it, be sure when disconnecting the meter to first close the hydrant port valve and then the meter assembly valve. Once the meter is properly shut down, you can reverse the steps to remove the meter from the hydrant. As shown in the video, start by loosening the nut on the hydrant meter stand and releasing it from the hydrant meter. Next, while firmly holding the hydrant meter by its handle, loosen it from the threads of the fire hydrant. Be prepared for water to spill out of the hydrant meter. Finally, place the cap back onto the fire hydrant and rotate it until it is in a fully closed position. Make sure to remember the hydrant wrench that is on the hydrant valve. Thank you on behalf of the City of Benicia's Public Works Department. If you have any further questions, please feel free to contact the city's Finance Department or Public Works Department.